Cheese. Milky love. Early humans probably discovered cheese by accident, and historians believe cheese production began more than 7,000 years ago. Cheese can be made from cows, goats, sheep, or buffalo milk. Each type of milk imparts distinct flavors and textures to the cheese. For example, cow's milk is used for cheddar, Gouda, and Swiss cheese. Goat's milk for fresh cheeses like Chèvre. Sheep's milk is for Manchego, Roquefort, and Pecorino, and buffalo milk is commonly used for Mozzarella di Bufala. Types of cheese are classified into these categories: fresh cheese, soft cheese, semi-soft cheese, semi-hard cheese, hard cheese, blue cheese, washed-rind cheese. France is renowned worldwide for its cheese-making expertise and diversity. With over 400 varieties of cheese, it's a paradise for cheese lovers. Did you know that there are more than 1,388 distinct cheese types worldwide? What are the most popular cheeses? Mozzarella, an Italian cheese known for its soft, stretchy texture and mild, milky flavor, perfect for pizzas and salads. Cheddar. This sharp cow's milk cheese originates from England and has a firm texture and tangy taste. It's widely enjoyed globally. Feta. Greece's beloved cheese made from sheep's or a mix of sheep's and goat's milk. It's crumbly, tangy, and often used in salads. Parmigiano Reggiano. An Italian hard, granular cheese with a rich, nutty flavor. Great for grating over pasta dishes. Gouda. A Dutch semi-hard cheese with a unique flavor and smooth texture. It is interesting to know that Denmark, with 455,000 metric tons, New Zealand 390,000 metric tons, and Ireland 287,000 metric tons annually, are the three biggest cheese producers worldwide. What about the biggest consumers? France with 57.9 pounds, Germany, Iceland, and Luxembourg with 53.2 pounds, and Greece enjoys approximately 51.5 pounds of cheese per person annually. European Union consumed about 9.2 million metric tons of cheese in 2023. The global cheese market was valued at over $83.4 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach over $120.2 billion by 2028. Some of the hardest cheeses to process include Parmigiano Reggiano, Parmesan. Known for its dense texture and intense flavor, Parmigiano Reggiano requires a long aging process, usually 24 months or more. Pecorino Romano. This Italian sheep's milk cheese is hard and salty. It's aged for at least 8 months, resulting in a crumbly texture that can be difficult to grate. Grana Padano. Similar to Parmigiano Reggiano, Grana Padano is another hard Italian cheese. It's aged for about 9 to 16 months, and its firmness makes it tough to break down. Donkey cheese holds the title of the most expensive cheese globally, fetching prices of around $600 per pound. This rare delicacy is produced in the Zasavica Special Nature Reserve in Serbia. What makes it so pricey? Well, it's crafted from the milk of our Balkan donkeys, and each pound of cheese requires more than 3 gallons of their precious milk.